Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to use link command in Linux. So link command is basically a command in Linux to create a link to a file. A link to a file, if you are coming from Windows, it's basically a shortcut. So a file pointing to another file or directories. So a link command create a single hard link. So this is basically the simplified version of ln command. So this is the simplified version where it enable us to create a hard link. Okay, so a hard link is basically two file pointing on the same location. So it's not different files. So the link itself and the original file will pointing to the same file descriptor and inode location. Okay, so let's try to create a new file here, just a sample file. Let's create with touch original file. Okay, if we ls list the file, there's original file, and let's create a link to the original file, and the link name is this is link. If we ls, no difference. Okay, and if we try to use ls -i, which will print the inode, it will show that the inode of both file is the same. Okay, another method to verify is to use ls-il. So inodes, and this is the list option to provide details. So as you can see that both file is the same. So this is the original file, this is the link, and the size is the same. Even the last update file is the same. And that's it, the use of link command in Linux. Let's see the content of manual page. So we can use man link. So as you can see here, the option is only the default, the standard help and version. No other option that we can use in this command. If we use info link, it also show that no other option that we can use here. There are some more explanation about this link command. So as you can see that it creates a single hard link at a time. And let's try, we can use link help. So two options that shown, and also link in the man page, what I mean, link version. So this is the version of the GNU core utils. So this is not the specific version of link, because link is part of the GNU core utils utility package. So that's it for the link command. I hope this is useful for you. See you in the next video. Thank you.